Hi friends, let me show you this front car grille light that I received for reviewing purposes. You can customize these lights to have any text, logo or pattern here. They will lit, so it will look nice in the night, okay? You install the base part. You get all the installing accessories and you get an extra double coated tape pattern to fix it if for any reason you need also this, okay? So, well, it's a nice way to put a custom finish touch to your car, okay? And you just connect it to your car's battery and that's it. It will work all the time, okay? So let's install it and see how it looks. So now we turn on the car, okay? So there's your logo, there's your lighting, okay? There it is. You have a nice logo turning on and off, and your car will have a nice decoration, of course, more during the night. Hi friends, so now it's night, so we can see how our custom logo turns on, okay? There you have it. So you will have a nice text, logo, or design in your personalized car plaque. So if you want any design, any logo or text, you can order it and have it in your car. Perfect. Thank you.